Hey guys, this is Jen from the teen department, and today we are making animal origami, and I'm going to show you how to make a fox. So, I've got my origami paper, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold from the bottom to the top to make a triangle. So just like that. And then I'm going to unfold. And then I'm going to fold from left to right. Like that. And then I'm going to take the side here and just fold it over like that. So you can see another little triangle here. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Just like that. So this is what it would look like after that's done. Then I'm going to fold both inward like that. See where it makes another triangle? And I'm just gonna turn this over, and you kind of see there's 3 little triangles here, one in the middle and one on each side. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take this part here and just fold it over like this to form an ear. And then after that's done, I'm going to go in the middle and just kind of get it centered a bit, stretch it out on the inside, and then, as you can see here, I'm going to take this finger and I'm going to fold it downward to make the face. You can see that here. So I'm going to press on that, and then after that's done, I'm going to take this part and just kind of fold it inward, or you can fold it outward, whichever way you want, to make the tail. And that is a fox origami. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!